I'm going to show you how to pair and connect a pair of the Bose QC or the QC45 directly to your Amazon Fire TV 4 series via Bluetooth. First thing is go to the home page, just click on the home button on the remotes. Once you get here, you want to navigate to the settings, the gear icon all the way to the right. So let me navigate over there, select that, and then we're going to go down and we're going to go over here to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Select that, and then from here we're going to go down to other Bluetooth devices right there. Select that, and then we're going to go ahead and add Bluetooth devices right there. Now it's searching for Bluetooth devices, so now we got to hurry up and put this in pairing mode. And let me see here. So on these you have like a power button right here. Okay, so these headphones are currently off. Let me go ahead and turn these on. And then when I turn these on, what I want is a blue blinking light here. Blue, blue, blue indicating it's in pairing mode, okay? However, I'm not getting no blue light here. Or I get a blue light, but it's solid. It's not a blinking blue light. The reason is because it's connected to one of my phones. So for me, what I'm gonna do is this now. The power button here, I'm gonna go and slide it over to the right and I'm gonna hold it. So the button here, I'm gonna hold it down and just wait till I get a blue blinking light now. So hold. Now it's blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's jump over here. Oh, there it is right there. QC headphones, it just popped up. It says pairing device. And it just said connect on the headphones and it says connected down there as well. So we are now up and running. And it's working. I can hear it clicking in the headphones. Anyway, there you go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had any issues connecting or pairing, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the description area below.